Right here I have a men's Benny & Company diamond watch. 3 full carats of genuine diamonds. Set around the bezel and on the lugs. All factory set. Pre-owned. Casing in good condition. Approximately 45 millimeters wide, not including your crown. Here's your back casing right here. Serial number right there too as well. Works 100%. Swiss movement. Sapphire crystal in excellent condition. There's your seconds hand right there on the bottom. That's how you reset it right here. This watch is for sale. Again, these are all factory set diamonds. For your reference right here as well. Nothing but authentic, all natural white and black diamonds. My number is posted at the bottom. If you're interested, hit me up. Make sure you subscribe as well. I always got something new.